Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I'm going to do a little Joanie unboxing. Also, if you're new to Joanie, then don't forget to use my refer a friend. That will get you 15% off everything. So here is my order. Ooh, and I bought everything myself and I bought it on sale. So if anything is sold out, apologies, but I thought I'd share it anyway. Okay, let's crack her open and see what we've got. Okay, this is the first item. I got it in a UK size large. I usually take about an 18, and it feels weird buying a large because I feel like in this day and age, a lot of larges are at 14, which is insane. Don't get me started on that one. But Joanie's sizes are a little bit different, which I love, not gonna lie. So this is a large, which is a UK size 16 to 18. I'm normally an 18 and I have plenty of room. So yeah, there we go. So I just thought this was quite a cute, fun, basic black t-shirt. Yeah, it's quite fun. It's obviously like quite Beyonce coded, but yeah, why not? And also Joanie do really nice quality cotton jersey tops. So that is my first item. It was on sale. I think it was around £18. I think I'm gonna keep it. I think it's cute. And here it is just underneath the cardigan. It's simple, it's easy, it's black and white. I mean, easy, you know, easy. Also good price. So that is my first item and it's a nice long length top too, because what is it with tops being really short or really tight? Anyway, that's my first item. Now next up, I have to be honest, I already own both of these items, but I wear them loads. They're really good quality. I really like them. They're just really handy, easy t-shirts. So I rebought them because I just thought they were such a good price. I think they were £27. They're normally 45 and I just really like them. So let me show you just one of them. So this is the French fry top. You might have seen me wearing this top many a time. Again, I got it in the large, which is a size 16 to 18. I really like the dropped shoulder. I like the French fries thing. It's a really nice thick cotton. Yeah, it's just good. It's just good. It's easy. The French fries is cute. It's really, really nice quality cotton. I really love the feel of it. And yeah, it's just a nice, thick, juicy, like cotton jersey top. It's really nice and I really like, I don't know, I just really like it. It's just really good. It just really works. So I got this in both this colour and also the black with the white stripes. My God, do you remember how overhyped the white stripes were? What was that about? And then finally I got some pajamas. So I got these in the 16 to 18. I'm normally an 18. I was a little bit worried that because I like my pajamas quite baggy, these would feel a little bit too small, but actually the top is good. So let's throw on the trousers and see how they go. Okay, it feels really weird to be filming myself in the middle of the day in pajamas. But here we go. They are on. Look at me, looking cool and cash in my PJs. I like the lightning bolt detail. I like the pink trim. I like the pink buttons. The pockets, there are pockets. Like, come on. Pajamas with pockets. They are cotton. I think they'll feel better once they've been washed. But yeah, they fit really well. Yeah, they fit really well. Really impressed. I'm definitely not a size 16 to 18. I'm very much more an 18, but these fit really well. I'm really pleased with them, definitely keeping them. I thought I might have to size up, but I really don't think I do. I think they're perfect. So yeah, if you're wondering how the t-shirts and pajamas fit, this is them. They do other prints in the pajamas. I got these ones because, full transparency, they're on sale. I think they were like £33. I can't remember. I'm so sorry. I should really looked at my receipt. Wonder if it's in the bag. Okay, I just looked there, £32, which I think is really good because they are cotton pajamas, really nice quality with pockets. Yeah, I feel really good in them, so I'm really happy. So I think that's kind of the end of my video. I really like everything actually. I think I'm gonna keep everything. Yeah, I got quite a lot of like basics in this order. Normally I get a lot more kind of dresses, but I just needed some basics. My pajamas are like threadbare at the moment, so I was like, I need to get some more. So I went for these ones because I wanted a dark colour in case I get my period. Let's be honest here. There was like a white pair and I was just like, no, I'm not that kind of girl. So I went for this pair. I really like the print. I think it's really fun and cool. And then the t-shirts, just handy. You know when you like just handy. So yeah, there we go. That's my order. And if you want to buy anything from Joanie, I do have a 15% discount, refer a friend thing. So feel free to use it and let me know what you think of everything. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. Yeah, thanks so much. Okay, bye.